We actually enjoy wheel cleaning, a lot thanks to using a great combination of our car care, which we'll share with you in this video. Let's start by mixing a cap of our wax wash with around 8 litres of water, agitated up with a pressure washer. A quick introduction to our latest brush, the flathead. It's our own custom design that's come from a good year of intensive testing. The unique low profile head has a removable soft microfiber sock that's made of the best material we've ever used for wheel cleaning. It has a non-slip handle, knuckle protector, and the impressively long plastic shaft that keeps your hand well away from any grime. The tapered head is designed to flex for better surface contact at multiple angles, giving you more effective cleaning. This Aussie-made creation is made for larger, open-spoke wheels, as fitted to many modern luxury and performance cars. Use it with the wash suds and our iron reactive wheelie clean, especially if you suffer from brake dust like shown here. The flathead is a great solution for inner wheel barrels, making it easy to go deep into this hard to reach area, as well as fitting another notoriously tight gap between the wheel and the brake caliper. One thing you'll really love about this brush is the serious lack of messy grime splatter as you move in and out between the spokes. With all wheels being different, a combination of suitable brushes is needed for the best results. Our little chubby brush is for the spokes and open wheel faces, and the round nuts and guts brush is for more intricate areas. After you've done the rim, spray orange agent around the tyre, giving them a quick scrub before pressure washing the entire wheel clean. For a sweet finale, use Wet Dreams to get super hydrophobic protection and a beautiful shine. This also makes it harder for the brake dust and grime to bond to the wheels, making them easy to clean the next time around. Now the wheels are done, it's time to wash the car. If you're fanatical like us, give it a snow job touchless pre-wash, then a loving 2-bucket hand wash with microfiber tools like our wash pillow, followed by a rinse and then a final sheeting of the water from the car. A portable air blower is great for pushing water out from any recesses before using the big green sucker drying towel with Boss Gloss as the drying aid. Finally, wipe the wheel and tyre dry. Apply tyre sheen with an applicator, then give the outer rim a last wipe down and you're done. You'll find more info on these products in the video description below. Thank you for watching.